Namib Mills held a media briefing to inform the public that there will be price increases on their products of 5 to 6% on all wheat and maize products. Their findings show some areas of concern, but at least they are saying what we are all thinking. Weather seems to be a global concern at the moment. There were reports recently revealed that said that the United States are reporting record temperatures, drought and catastrophic wildfires this summer. US citizens have in the last 4 months drastically jumped in their belief that climate change is taking place. Figures in an independent survey show that especially in Texas, which is in its second year of drought, people are more of the belief that climate change is a real situation. The reason behind the increase is not the current market conditions, which is showing a slowdown due to demand increases for commodity products around the world, but rather weather patterns are resulting in lower harvests around the world. In Namibia, we consume around 125,000 tons of maize per year, and we produce only 75,000 tons. As a result, we need to import the remaining requirements.
You have to buy locally. And thereafter, please import as cheap as you can from wherever.
Our Wheat and Maize Control Board in Namibia serves to regulate that we use locally produced products first before we import. They approve import certificates and will only do so if it can be proved that we need to import and we've used up our local stores first. The US produces most of the world's demand for maize and wheat, and with extremely bad weather patterns they have experienced recently, their harvest has been negatively affected. It is estimated their harvest of maize will be around 60 million tons lower than usual. To put this into context, this is 5.2 times the amount of South Africa's entire crop yield of maize, and South Africa is the largest producer in Africa. With the weather having done what it has recently, even South Africa will have to import this year, as their local harvest is not enough for their consumption.
So maize is the culprit at this stage. The closing stock of wheat will close at, where maize will be closing at 44 days, the forecast of wheat is that it will close at 82 days. So pasta is also, prices on pasta will also be rising in the near future.
The maize price is going up by 10%. Inflation is 6.5%, and they're going up by 5.5%. Now, what does that tell you? They are very, very moderate in their prices.
And the price increase will be between 5 and 6%. So prices are still on the increase. Therefore, we would like to warn that maybe this is not the last that we've seen.
Prices have gone up, and it looks like if the weather continues its erratic patterns, they will keep on going up.